Hello, this is a recording for Thursday, February 12th. Today's practice is titled Coming in for Landing. It is designed to ground our awareness in the present moment. So take a comfortable position, and wherever you are, feel the support of the surface beneath you. Let it hold you as you completely surrender to gravity. Coming down from wherever your mind wandered off. Awareness coming in for landing, here and now. Observe the space around you, sights, sounds, sensations. Being aware of where you are and what your senses are picking up with each passing moment. You are here, landed in the present. Inhale, feeling present in this moment. Exhale, releasing anything outside of this moment. Inhale, feeling present in this moment. Exhale, releasing anything outside of this moment. Outside of right here, right now. I'll be silent for a while now, letting you savor this experience on your own. And now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.